I will take a half a shot. Smacking you.
Hello.
I will take a half a shot.
Hello.
What's up?
Happy Hurlerders.
Hi.
Herpy Hurlerders.
Okay, guess what?
Hermagerd.
Grab your shot glass if you want one.
You guys are already. You guys got to do that now.
Flip cam my sweater.
Okay,
It'll be the only flip cam
leftover
footage
for
of it.
Nye and more Fireball.
I'll do the
Come
whole
on.
session.
Hey guys! Woo!
Cheers.
Merry Christmas, everybody!
Tammy, I'm like looking at him like, take it. Right there. Babe, come on, you should have one.
Must.
Yeah, you can have one.
That's like
Aww.
a toothpaste commercial. In scent fiction.
A little bit.
Oh, and she's recording.
She's recording footage, yes.
Hi guys!
Oh, we never.
Did anybody else notice that Aunt Phyllis has become a master bartender?
I
Yeah!
love it.
Kudos to a bartender.
Woohoo!
Until one break?
Yeah! Aunt Phyllis the bartender.
Take after.
No, this is Trisha Yearwood.
No.
And Martha Stewart over here.
Little days,
and cousin
She's been
Jeff,
calling me Martha all day.
cousin Jeffy,
All day. I've been
cousin
Martha.
Tanya, and this is John, Kim's
Cousin
boyfriend,
John.
cousin John,
Cousin John.
cousin Sandra,
Wait.
Auntie Trisha Yearwood right here, and this is cousin Kim,
YOLO.
You didn't introduce my
the infamous cousin Kim.
You didn't introduce my. You
Yeah.
didn't introduce Mary.
Mary. Oh, infamous. This is
Mary.
Aunt Mary.
I'm like, oh.
Aunt Mary.
Aunt Mary in
You can see us.
full decor. Auntie Mary in full decor. Yes.
And they're like, sure.
Yes.
Did yours ever go back down?
Yes.
It never did.
Yay! Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yeah. All right, Brandy. That video was like 5 minutes.